Stop by and take a look at the 2017 MKC. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.